Let me teach you how to detangle matted natural hair. So this is what we started with. All I did was section the hair, and then I spray a bit of water, and I try and remove shed hairs like so, as you see me do in the video. So I do this very carefully. I use the hairstyling creme brulee, which is one of the products I offer on my website at creativeleah.com. And this product is really amazing to detangle. This was like a discovery we had, like, because most of the customers that were using this product were telling me all the time, Aaliyah, you know, this is really good for detangling your hair, you know. I never really knew, because it's a moisturizer and it works pretty well as a moisturizer, but it's actually have detangling benefits on it. Okay, so all I do is try and remove all the shed hairs. He had plenty of those. He really struggles with detangling his hair, so I was giving him some tips on how to do it as well as I was going through this session. So as you can see, all I do is I spray water, section the hair, and then I separate the strands carefully with my fingers. I know you see me using ratail comb, but I never comb through the hair from the beginning to end with that. All I do is just diffuse any knots, so it's easier for me to separate the strands with my fingers afterwards. So sometimes I comb through in a specific spot where the hair is super matted or there's a huge knot and I can't separate it just with my fingers, so I just use that for that. Or at times I use also the tip of the ratail comb to try and diffuse a knot. So you can see I've detangled that bit there, and all I do after that is use the white tooth comb and I comb through lightly. So I asked if he wanted to blow dry his hair and he said yes. I used the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Ear Protectant, and this is the final result.